Can you use two-step funnel for Shopee affiliate marketing? Now, for those who are new to my Facebook advertising framework, you can actually go to my YouTube channel and search for two-step funnel framework. It's a framework that I've been using since 2016. Mainly, we will have at least 2 ads running simultaneously at any time. One ad is actually to reach new audience for you, and the other one is to do retargeting. And if you are able to set an optimized campaign for this, using the framework for your business, you should be able to see improved ROI, reduce budget waste, and a lot of awesome benefit that actually can help you build long-term evergreen campaign. My longest campaign lasted for about 24 months, which is about 2 years. And any of my students actually and coaching clients, they can actually at least run their ads for 3 to 5 months without changing anything. Imagine the kind of freedom that you can get if you use this, right? So if you are, basically two-step funnel can be used in any business, because we have an improvised two-step funnel whereby we can actually do retargeting even if you do not have ownership to the advertisement, to the landing page, to the destination. So quick answers to Nasser's question. Yes, you can use two-step funnel for Shopee affiliate marketing. So when it comes to retargeting, you actually use recent engagement on Facebook and Instagram as your retargeting option, which means you do not really need to. Of course, when you are doing Shopee affiliate, you won't be able to track how many actually landed on the product that you promoted, right? But what you can do is you can actually retarget those people who taken action on your advertisement by targeting the Facebook and Instagram engagement. You can try that. You sign up for my program, so you should be able to go through that. And if you need help, okay, Nessel, you already know the drill. All you need to do is to actually buy me a mail on Fiverr, scan this QR code, and we can actually discuss whatever questions you have on your Facebook advertising campaigns.